Hello and welcome back YouTubers to another episode of Pokemon Theories, the show where 9 out of 10 doctors agree Professor Oak isn't really a professor and going to the gym doesn't mean pumping iron. Today's theory: why does Pikachu's level get reset in the anime? The theory is simple. When Ash goes to another region, his Pikachu seems to reset its level somehow. This can be seen when Pikachu loses to Snivy, and that Pikachu doesn't just steamroll over every enemy. Many people speculate that Pikachu was previously owned by another person like Red. But in my previous theory, I proved that Red's Pikachu couldn't be Ash's. Many people also speculate it could have been Ash's father's, and that he left it for Ash. However, with a little evidence on who exactly that is, we can't determine that for sure. Another theory people like to present is that before a gym battle with Brock, Ash did a supercharge that caused Pikachu's level to fluctuate, or the fact that Pikachu defeated so many Spearow in the first episode, or possibly that Ash supercharging Pikachu on the bike at the Pokemon Center when versing against Team Rocket. There is even a theory that Pikachu was left over from the war, or was switched with Ash's Pikachu when there were multiple Pikachu around. All of those theories are viable theories. They don't account for the reset. They don't account for the reset. Perhaps in the anime, electric Pokemon lose their levels as they discharge electricity. This would account for Pikachu being supercharged, but does not account for Pikachu being able to defeat any Pokemon right out of the Pokeball without pre-charging. So what is it exactly about Ash's Pikachu? Could it be that it's just that unique, unstable, or possibly something more? Could it have been Professor Oaks while he was the champion? Or secretly Mew or Ditto? Every theory I've heard thus far cannot evidence except for one. My theory takes into account a glitch from the original red and blue and requires me to borrow elements from both the anime and the game series. But I think you will agree if you hear me out that this is some evidence where none exists. The missing no glitch is widely known glitch, and I will not go into great detail about it, but one of the things that can be done with the glitch is leveling past 100. Through the glitch, you can level to about 256 before resetting your Pokemon back to level 0. You can even glitch Pokemon above level 100. The theory is simple. Pikachu was owned by a previous trainer who was affected by this glitch and was given or taken by Professor Oak. Pikachu, now being unstable, constantly levels up until it resets itself. That would explain how Pikachu keeps all its moves but loses to very weak Pokemon. That's all there is to it, really. And while the theory is a bit loose and requires a bit of imagination, it is only a theory, and the only one I can come up with explaining the resetting. Again, none of my theories are perfect, but with what little evidence there is, it can be assumed that this could be potentially correct, and that the fact that Ash never aging doesn't exactly make for the most solid plots. So, thanks for watching, guys, and if you have something to contribute to this theory, please leave it in the comments section below. And if you have a Pokemon theory you'd like me to discuss, just leave it down in the comments section below, and it may be my next theory. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to check out the Pokemon Theory playlist, where I have over 50 Pokemon theories. I'm Peter and I'm signing out. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. And now, time for a survey.